Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of I Don't Know His Majesty is a Girl, chapter 68. So here it is. Let's read the story. Everything seems to be fine, but right now, the Empress was calling the Queen. She was waiting for her in the chamber. Yang Yang, I came over after I was busy and I was running. Go and have a look. So she can see that. Xinyan, she was waiting for her on the chamber. But right now, she got paused and she noticed that it was the Queen who was coming through. Well, definitely, she really need to ask her a question, especially about what Alan discovered. Right now, looking at her, she was really acting cute. What's the matter? Is there anything troublesome in the court? A typically normal day for the little queen. She doesn't know to herself that she's been questioned. Well, definitely. Right now, Xinyan, she took out the paper. Doesn't count. Ah, you entered the palace today. Brought me something. Right now, look at it. Queen. She was questioning what? When she see the letter, she discovered that it was hers. That's why right now, look at her. She was really sweating. Of course, she was really afraid that Xinyan will know everything about the book. It is all made by her. Right now, Xinyan, she's trying to catch her. Or she really knows that it was her. Definitely right now, she has no reactions. But moreover, I think she really knows that it was her. Just trying to get her, but maybe the little queen will not tell her that it was hers. On the way to the palace, I have told you that if there is a folk book called Lanchi Note, the book is very popular. This is the sample of the manuscript. So right now, knowing this, that is already known by Xinyan. Isn't this an idle book? What is Alan? She is so attentive. Well, definitely, she was whispering on herself. She know to herself that she's been caught. This person is well known if you don't act to catch this person as soon as possible. If the secrets of the harem are shaken out, I am afraid that there will be an endless troubles. Ah, crazy. Antailan, I have nothing to do to find out. What's this for? Haha, Nyan Nyan is right. It's fine if you can catch it, but if you catch it now, you will find that the person is your queen. There are also a lot of books in the harem of the previous dynasty in case she read those books, and so on. Well, definitely right now, she's trying to figure out how to solve this case and how to escape from this. Xinyan moved closer to her, and it was like teasing her. Where do I think? I've seen this handwriting. Now, it really makes sense to her. Maybe Xinyan remember her penmanship. That's why she was really curious and she was really good at acting. Xinyan said to her, like, well, definitely right now, trying to see or figure out if she can really admit that she's the one. But right now, the little queen, she looks really worried and also maybe she got really afraid of. Well, let's see if she can really hide well evidence that pointing about her. Suddenly right now, she grabbed her hands. Xinyan. She grabbed the hands of Xinyan to be able to calm her down. Also to divert the attention. This matter, she want to interrupted it. Leave this matter to me. The fastings are enough to help make you bother this. Just let me check it. So right now, she was really volunteering to solve this case on her own self. Hey, just work hard, Queen Yang Yang. Aha, not hard or hard. Life is miserable. She said it to herself. Well, technically, she really digging her own grave. When she started writing the book, right now, look at her. She seems to be tense, and she was calling Peach. Please call Thailand for me. Now, She want to call General Elan to be able to questions. Well, definitely she knows that everything about this is General Elan work. General first went to find out the princess. At this moment, I'm afraid that they went to the Queen Palace together. Well, definitely, she really want to speak with Elan to be able to solve it fast. Queen Mother, please have a meal. The servant is serving her a meal, but the Queen Mother, she seems not in a good condition. Looking at her, she was ignoring the servant. Also, right now, she swept all the foods. Go get out here. Food has been thrown out on the floor. Well, what a waste. It's really indicating that the Queen Mother is not good and she don't want to eat at all. It's better for the A family to know that how the Emperor treated me. When Pilal thinks go, it's not home, she can sit on that location. Well, she was pertaining. She's the one who's making the Emperor be in that throne. That's why right now she's getting angry. She's been ignoring by the Emperor. When the wings are hard, she want to dump me. It is impossible. Now she really can't believe it. The Emperor itself choose the Queen before her, the Queen Mother, his true mother. The servant said, since the Queen Mother have no appetite now, so wait a moment, let's spread the meal again. The servant is picking up the food one by one. Well, someone say, welcome to the country lord. So it turns out right now, Princess Mingwei already arrived on the Queen Mother's palace. The Queen Mother suddenly noticed it. Mingwei. Well, definitely, look at her. She seems to be happy, seeing Princess Mingwei that coming through her. Now, the Queen Mother, she was smiling and also welcoming Princess Mingwei. On the other hand, look at her. She was really happy. I just good child. It doesn't bother me that I raise you. You can go and tell the Emperor to let me out. Now, she was grabbing Princess Mingwei's hands, but of course, it was really tight. That's why Princess Mingwei, look at her. She was turning into fail. Because of the pain, a full of exertion. It must really painful based on the reactions of Princess Mingwei. But of course, right now, the Queen Mother, it doesn't matter to her. If she dares not to agree, oh, right now, the Queen Mother has ability to scared her. But General Elan was there and said to her, Empress Dowager. She's in pain. She grabbed her hands back. Well, let's see on what will happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!